Hey guys, working on a 2019 Acura MDX, and we are going to be changing our cabin filter. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to find our glove box right here. Get a light in here for you guys. Okay, we're going to just pull this tray out like this. Then here, there's this clip here. Pull this door down and out. There's a tab. Push the trigger in. Push the trigger in. And the whole thing comes out. Just like that. Okay. And notice the airflow symbol points down. Do not throw away this tray. Now pull this up and out. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, but it's pretty dirty. Rip this out the plastic with your air filter. Notice the airflow symbol points down. That's what we want it to be at. I'm gonna turn it like this. Snug fit. Get her in. It's all in. Perfect. Let's reinsert it. Alright. If you look in here, you can actually see your blower motor. If you just want to run your hand in there and see if you feel any leaves or anything. If you have a really nasty one, you can check that too. We're going to insert it like this. Perfect. We're clipped in on both sides. Let's get our little tray here. Install that. And then our shelf, we'll call it that. They're tabs that you can line it up if you look at it. There you go. And just like that, we're all done here. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.